Hey there, fitness enthusiasts!
Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we've got something special for all you gym goers and athletes out there. The Jacked Factory Growth Surge Creatine Post-Workout Mix. If you're looking for the ultimate muscle builder and recovery supplement, you're in the right place. Stick around as we dive deep into what makes this product stand out from the rest. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our in-depth product reviews. Alright, let's jump right in. The Jacked Factory Growth Surge Creatine Post-Workout Mix is making waves in the fitness world, and for good reason. It's not just another post-workout drink, it's a powerhouse of ingredients designed to support muscle growth, recovery, and overall performance. This product comes in a convenient 30-serving container. And you can choose from a variety of delicious flavors like black cherry, blue raspberry, and strawberry lemonade. And the best part? It's currently available on Amazon with a 29% discount. Now, let's talk about what sets this product apart, its key ingredients. Growth Surge is packed with 3 essential components: creatine monohydrate, betaine anhydrous, and L-carnitine L-tartrate. Creatine monohydrate, the gold standard in creatine supplements, has numerous studies backing its effectiveness in increasing strength, power, and muscle hypertrophy. Betaine anhydrous and L-carnitine L-tartrate work together to minimize fatigue, promote post-workout recovery, and enhance muscle gains. So, what can you expect when you use Growth Surge? Well, it's not just for men. It's a muscle builder for both women and men. It's designed to help you conquer your workouts, reduce muscle soreness, and maximize your gains. Plus, it's manufactured in a CGMP-certified facility, ensuring purity and potency. To get the most out of Growth Surge, simply mix 1 scoop with 10 to 16 ounces of water and consume it after your workout. On non-training days, you can still enjoy its benefits by taking a scoop in the morning. It's that easy. But don't just take our word for it. Check out what some users have to say. Users have reported feeling more energized, experiencing better muscle recovery, and even noticing improvements in their strength and endurance. Now, let's talk about taste. With flavors like black cherry, blue raspberry, and strawberry lemonade, you won't have to choke down a chalky, unpleasant post-workout drink. Instead, you'll look forward to sipping on a refreshing, delicious treat. In conclusion, the Jacked Factory Growth Surge Creatine Post-Workout Mix is a game-changer in the world of post-workout supplements. With its research-proven ingredients, great taste, and affordability, it's no wonder why it's an Amazon's choice product with thousands of satisfied customers. So, if you're serious about your fitness goals and want to optimize your muscle growth and recovery, give Growth Surge a try. Click the link in the description below to get your hands on this incredible product while it's still on sale. That's it for today's review, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fitness buddies. And as always, stay tuned to Product Critique for more honest and informative reviews. Until next time, keep crushing those workouts and chasing your fitness dreams.